Hello everyone and welcome back to Rome. My name is Battle Stig, and well, we're back. I've just founded my city because I forgot to save last time. I founded a Pantheon, and I need to connect my cities because it gives me bonus science, which I need because it's going to take 36 freaking turns to do ironworking. Oh god. Wait a minute, there's a barbarian guy on the coast. Thank you. Happiness. I don't need to know about happiness. I'm too happy to be worried about happiness right now. And I better. Oh, that's what they are! That's what they are! That's what they are! Finally! Stupid Aztecs. Where have you been? Where have you been? Really like in the desert. Wind has grown. Okay, good. Iron working. Whoa, just went from 36 to 30. Well, at least it's improving. That's always good. Finally I figured out where the Aztecs are. Still haven't figured out where those annoying, oh god, Carthaginians are. I think they're to the south. Anyway, oh god. Come on, you're spearmen! Why are you failing? Oh my god, did they just attack Carthaginians? Kill them! Kill them, Carthage! Oh, oh good. That was stupid idea on the barbarians, but Unitors know how to move. Go here, and oh, what's the term I'm looking for? Oh yeah, run. Tenochtitlan. Can I? No, I can't. I don't even have sailing yet. I'm so crap. Tenochtitlan looks fun, peaceful. Oh, come on! How many cities does he have? Mr. Montezuma. Mr. Montezuma, yes, next time, Mr. Sierra. Guess the cities! I'm gonna go back this way, aren't I? Yeah, I'm gonna go around to Tenochtitlan. Sorry. Yeah, so I'm just working on this. Sorry, I was silent for a few minutes. I was just kind of thinking about what am I doing? What do I want to do? Other than explore everything and anything. Aztecs have a lot of archers, which is worrying me because I don't even have archery as a technology yet. But yeah, the Aztecs were friendly with them, and now we know what Tenochtitlan is. Though if I were them, I would have put it on the coast, but anyway. I'll keep moving for as long as I can. So they must have more than one city. Tenochtitlan isn't extending on this fast already, are they? So they're just weird. Tenochtitlan, busy place. I'm working is 26 turns away. Not necessarily a good thing. 26 turns. Thank you. They're gonna do their first thing. Shut your farm. Here's my cheese production. Oh. Yeah, so plus 15 XP for all. I have to adopt a new policy. Yay! And I get a free settler. I'm gonna put it up here on the coast, right there, actually. Not really suggesting I put it. Flatline. Tenochtitlan. Tenochtitlan. Yes. Attack! Nope. So now I've seen two of Tenochtitlan, two of the great Aztec cities, Tenochtitlan and Teotihuacan. Can't say any of them, but whatever. Venice longs for culture. Okay. Okay, so still exploring. So I've got a pretty big city. I'm trying to build my third city right now. Like right here, I think, or maybe right here, so I can get that too. Rome's empire shall expand exponentially. Targets the encampment. Cool. Whatever. I'm generating culture so fast. My team is grown. Yay, us. You want to go to the city right there? I'll let you go to the city right there. Oh yeah, scout, go. I'm just getting an idea of one of my friend's strengths. Best friend. Oh yes. Dido! Yes! Where the heck are you? Wait a minute. She must be close by. She's worried about... In here. This must be Carthage in here. Near Stockholm. Okay. That'll work. What are we doing now? Oh yeah, murdered them. You're up north. No, oops. There's a lake. It's not Lake Titicaca. Lake The thing is, I'm friendly with Dido of Carthage. Something I've always wanted. So, must be in here. Yeah, I'm not worried particularly. Need that third city though. So, shut up. Kumi. Okay. I need to expand out that way a bit. Come on, Carthage, how far would you have to be? You start on the coast, don't you? Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Eventually I should run into them, because Carthage is geared to start on the coast. Oh, what the? Okay. I'm protecting Venice. Okay. At least now I know who I'm up against, sort of. That's interesting. Hooray for Siam. Met you. Where's your empire? Where's your empire, guy? Person. Siam can't be far. Are they gonna go to war with Carthage? If so, that's a problem. Very, very big problem. Problem I can't have. Because I am friendliness with Carthage. Not very friendliness with you, though. Most literate people. Most players by the amount of technologies they possess. Pythagoras. Hate you. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need the freaking wheel, don't I? Oh. Okay. You mean Carthage can't be far? Where the heck is Carthage? I could just move them there. I bet. Well, looks like that's all the time I have for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, if you even did watch, and goodbye.